don't give up. Never you give up on your dreams. Never you give up on your pursuits. Never you give up on your ambition. Why is it so important to never give up? Some days, giving up seems like the easy thing to do. We have all had those days where giving up seems to be the right thing. It can be very frustrating working day in, day out towards something with all your heart and with all your strength and not seeing the result you think you deserve. Isn't that frustrating? Yes, it is. When you don't see your hard work bringing you success, it has the tendency to drain you physically, emotionally, and even spiritually. Giving up is the easy way out, but quitting is not the answer. Giving up will not solve anything at all. So let's not get tired of doing what is good. At just the right time, we will reap a harvest of blessing if we don't give up. The truth is that we all face challenges in life, and at times it can feel like those challenges may just beat you. But you have to keep going and going. Don't let the idea of quitting enter your mind. Stay strong and fight for what it is that you want. The people who win in life are the ones that don't give up. There is an urge behind every winner. There is an urge behind every successful man. There was a time that the urge was about to weigh them down. That is the urge to quit. Don't you quit. Don't you give up on your dreams. If you quit now, what is your gain? If you stop pursuing your dreams now, what is your gain? All the way long, all the stress, all the money, everything you have put in to make sure you achieve your dream. If you quit now, what would you gain out of it? Don't you give up. I have come to tell you that failure will never overtake you if your determination to succeed is very strong. When you are determined to rise, no amount of knockbacks that will stop you, even though they might come, but you will keep on rising because you have the motivation. You are motivated to pursue your dream and you are seeing where you are going. And even though it seems that you are losing, a winner is just a loser who try one more time, give it a try again. The truth is that it does not matter how slowly you go. So long as you do not stop, you will get to where you are going. Do not give up. You have to endure. Listen to me. Perseverance is the hard work you do after you get tired of doing the hard work you already did. Sometimes after you must have worked throughout the whole day, throughout the whole week, you keep on pushing both the mental stress. At the end of the day, everything you have worked, it seems there is no success. Perseverance is another hard work that you need to put in. Don't you give up. I have come to tell you to be grateful for the pain. Be grateful for the failures. Be grateful for the struggles. They are the ones developing you. They are developing your character. They are giving you the strength that you are going to have tomorrow. Even the strength you have today, they have given it to you. Be grateful. Yesterday is an experience. Today is an experiment. Tomorrow is an expectation. Use your experience in your experiment to get your expectation. Do not give up. I don't mean it is going to be easy. Nobody said it would be easy. So don't ever give up when it is hard. Even when it gets harder, do not give up. In other way around, success is what happens after you have survived all your disappointments. No wonder the Bible recorded that when the devil came to tempt Jesus, that he was tempted 3 times. That when Jesus Christ overcame the temptation of the devil, and immediately behold the angel of the Lord coming to minister to him. If you did not overcome your obstacles, oftentimes you don't see the result you are looking for. You don't see what you have been going through. You don't see the sources behind your struggles. If you don't peel orange, you will never taste the sweetness of orange. Coconut is very sweet, But when you give up peeling it and cracking the shell, you can never taste the sweet water, or you can never taste the coconut itself. Do not give up, because the tomorrow must be greater than today. I have come to tell you that you are victorious, that you are successful, that you are great, far greater than what you are thinking now. Your tomorrow is great. Thank you for having time to listen to this video. Thank you for listening to this video. I am Okocha Happy Marcel. Have a nice day.